we are back. We were lucky enough to get the reset code for the fire drill on Topstep TV. So I just used it real quickly to reset my 100k account that I blew just messing around on it. So that is the combine now that I have on the side of my express funded account that I'm actually going to try to take very seriously now and start trading that and recording those trades so I can show you exactly how we get from a combine to an XFA to payouts, hopefully. At the same time, I will still be trading my current funded account. It's just that that's a 50k, which I actually prefer because it has a little bit of a tighter daily loss limit, so I don't get too out of hand on it. But I do have this brand new, fresh 100k express funded account combine, so I will be trading that. This current trade that's on the screen right now, this is a trade that I put on a practice account, so you can just disregard that for right now. But when we get into a trade, we will see what happens. There's another speaker coming up soon. We are in a very nice rally, but I do want to pop the high of day before I go into any longs in the middle of this range, so we will see what happens. I do like this little 5-minute candle around VWAP. It did kind of bounce off of it in that period of time, so I do see more upside potential. We do have a QQQ level right over here that I want to see clear before I get into any longs, but I am long biased at this point. We're above both VWAPs, and yeah, I don't think I'm going to be looking to short anytime soon, but we'll see what opportunities the market gives us, and we will go from there. Right on VWAP right here. Think about going long here. And I'll keep it tight. Keep it tight. Alright. 3-point stop loss. First trim is going to be at right below a level that I have. Okay, so we have $300 stop loss, 3 points, trying to make 9, 3 to 1. That's gonna be our first trim, and then we'll have one runner go, so we'll see what happens here. If it is a complete rally, we will see a popping of the highs. If not, then I'm gonna get stopped out and I'll probably just sit on my hands and wait to see what happens. But I do like this to the upside, so we'll see. First level that I want to see break is this one right here. Is our QQQ level. This is really important. If we can break this, then I'm very confident. After that, if we can get to like 406, I'll probably go to break even stop. But we'll see what happens. Same situation we've been dealing with all day. ES getting real heavy. NQ just kind of wants to go. You can even just look at this candle here. Current NQ candle is pretty much at its high at the top of the wick, and ES is just barely in the middle. Was recently just down at the bottom, so hate seeing that. I like when they run together, and it makes everything so much easier to trade, but makes risk to reward so much easier to navigate. Now it's just, you know, any quick move down from NQ is going to cause ES to just get so heavy, and oof, we broke that QQQ level. See, a new recent high, and ES is just kind of sitting right there. The moment NQ gets the high of day, if it rejects, that's gonna bring NQ, that's gonna bring ES just into the ground. They move together down, but only NQ goes up. I might actually cut this trade. Look at that. NQ again at the top of its peak, and ES just sitting right in the middle of its candle. Watch this. NQ is going to reverse at the high of day, and ES is just going to just dig. Alright, I might get out of this. NQ rejects high of day almost, and ES just digs into the ground here. Ugh, man. I even knew that it was gonna happen. I really thought about getting out for $50 in profit, but I wanted to squeeze out a little bit more. It's fine. That might actually be my day. I just got this account. I'm not trying to put it into a bad spot when tomorrow is probably going to be a much better day with CPI coming out. So yeah, that is today's full stream. I don't even know what to do here. You can't really short it, but you can't really long it either. So I'd rather not sit and wait for a better opportunity. There might be one, there might not be one. I mean, there's going to be one, but I'm okay. We got a really nice rejection on this QQQ level. It never actually closed above it, which is unfortunate. And we're right back. We're right back where we were. That's pretty crazy, but I'm not gonna be part of this. So we're down 300 on the brand new 100k, and see if we can run it back up tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys.